Bam! We're gonna take this 4th generation home and give it a huge transformation.
Wow! Oh, this is so beautiful!
But not through demolition. We're gonna give this whole room a fresh start. Through restoration, we can save this.
Why?
We can save them.
Oh!
This is our house.
I am Jared Foster JPaul, the carpenter, woodworker, and painter. I do a lot of home renovations, and it's fun. It's fun to come into a house and make people enjoy their home again. So let's get to it.
Am I a tough designer? I would say yes. If you're a contractor, if you're a painter, if you can't do a good job and you promise me something, I will make you cry. I've done it. The show is all about restoring homes with generations over generations. You don't want to take those memories out. You want to preserve those, and you want to build on that memory. Jared, the jewel of the house,
yes,
the kitchen.
Indeed. So how do you feel about this one, Jason?
Okay, this is a good structure. I love that it's right in the middle of the house because if you're cooking and doing your thing, you can watch the kids throughout the entire center of the home. But here's my challenge right here.
Okay.
I hate this. It's so apartment.
Yep.
I just hate this. This centered beam is driving me crazy. Again, with these countertops, I just cannot. Who has a double sink anymore? It's just not, why? It's dirty. I don't like the situation going on right here. Of course, as a designer, the first thing I think of is just knock everything down, but it's a restoration. What do you think about these cabinets? Do you think this wood grain is gonna show? I want it painted. Did you hear me?
Gotcha.
Did you hear me?
All right.
So what we're gonna do is modernize it. Prime it and paint it, new appliances throughout the entire kitchen. With the color and the backsplash and the countertop, it's gonna look so chic.
Jason was concerned that the wood grain was gonna show on these cabinets and ruin the smooth, modern finish that he wants. To prevent that from happening, I'm gonna use KILZ 3 Premium Primer. It's a thicker primer. It's gonna cover these grains and give a smooth finish for the paint.
So what do you think?
I love it. I love it. I mean, I love the fact that we were able to save these cabinets because if we didn't, that would have broke the bank.
The transformation is unreal.
Told you it could happen.
And like, again, my friends at Delta, beautiful, amazing.
Yep.
Like, it's just stunning. It's like jewelry in a kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
We sure did.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is so beautiful. It looks new. Like, it looks like a new kitchen.
Right, same cabinets.
Remember all the uppers?
Oh my God,
I want
look
you to
at
open this. Open it.
I love the color.
These are all the original cabinet. We just put wood slats right in front of them.
These kids are the 4th generation of our family to live in this house. And they won't be the last generation to live in this house either.
We're preserving these things. You know, there's memories in these spaces in someone's home, you know, 4 generations. I mean, it doesn't have to be demo, demo, demo.
Right.
It can be restore, restore, restore.
Yep, and we definitely restore, and restored some more.
Yeah, we did.